HypaSpace, short for Hybrid Propulsion for Space, is a French space startup founded in 2019. The company is developing a micro-launch vehicle powered by hybrid rocket engines, setting itself apart in a field where many startups opt for liquid propellant engines. German startup HyImpulse also embraces hybrid propulsion, highlighting the growing appeal of this technology. HypaSpace focuses on the micro-launcher market, designing vehicles capable of delivering up to 250 kilos to orbit, less than half the payload capacity of Rocket Lab's Electron rocket. Despite the smaller scale, European governments and space agencies will likely prioritize local providers, creating a strong market for such payloads in Europe. HypaSpace submitted a proposal for the European Launcher Challenge. If selected, the company could secure up to €169 million from the European Space Agency. The competition is fierce, with 12 proposals submitted, so we'll just have to wait to see which companies were selected. In just 5 years, HypaSpace has raised €39.82 million through seed funding and contracts, employing over 90 people, and is continuing to expand. The French space agency CNES recognized its potential, selecting HypaSpace as one of 4 companies in a €400 million program to strengthen domestic micro-launcher startups. HypaSpace is targeting commercial, government, and defense clients, positioning itself as a key player in Europe's space sector. HypaSpace adopts a pragmatic test-and-learn approach to rocket development, as outlined on their website. No lengthy simulations, excessive paperwork, and rigid decision-making. They embrace simplicity as a core mantra. This agile methodology accelerates progress, enabling HypaSpace to compete in the fast-evolving commercial space landscape. Technology. HypaSpace is developing a scalable hybrid rocket engine that blends the simplicity of solid propulsion with the performance of liquid propulsion, delivering a reliable and cost-effective solution for space access. Hybrid rocket engines combine a solid fuel grain, such as high-density polyethylene, or HDPE for short, with a liquid oxidizer, typically liquid oxygen. Liquid engines offer thrust modulation and high performance, but are complex and costly to develop. Solid engines are simple and affordable, but lack control and efficiency. HypaSpace's hybrid design bridges this gap, enabling thrust modulation and reignition while maintaining simplicity. HypaSpace's patented architecture features a thin, annular combustion chamber that optimizes combustion efficiency. Instead of complex turbopumps, HypaSpace uses a high-pressure helium gas to feed the oxidizer into the engine, eliminating approximately 30 parts compared to traditional liquid engines. This pressure-fed system reduces weight, complexity, and failure risks, potentially cutting costs by up to 40%. The use of solid HDPE fuel improves safety, as it remains inert without an igniter, eliminating the risk of spontaneous explosions, common in liquid propellant systems. For example, SpaceX's Ship 36 test failure in June 2025 and Rocket Factory Augsburg's August 2024 explosion due to a turbopump oxygen fire highlight the risk of liquid engines. HypaSpace's design avoids such failure points, protecting ground infrastructure and improving reliability. Additionally, HDPE is non-toxic and can be sourced from recycled materials, making HypaSpace's engines eco-friendly. Simplified handling and logistics further streamline launch operations. While hybrid engines may have slightly lower specific impulse, ISP is estimated at 260 to 280 seconds in vacuum. Compared to liquid engines, HypaSpace prioritizes safety, simplicity, and cost efficiency.